Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 30. What should we call this in our harmonic labeling system? The answer is simply AB break and C break. So point B did break the start of A and point C did break the start of B.
Quote number 24. Charlie Munger said, "I don't think you can get to be a really good investor over a broad range without doing a massive amount of reading. I don't think any one book will do it for you." This means that good traders never stop learning. Even when they become pros at trading, they are still learning. Thanks for watching, liking, and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.